2018 Acura MDX Review. Great value along with an available hybrid version can serve the MDX stick out among three-row luxury SUVs. The 2018 Acura MDX could possibly be less expensive than similarly sized three-row luxury SUVs, but never ever does that imply disappointment. This popular three-row crossover SUV is versatile and it has an appealing blend of safety and luxury-oriented features. The MDX is enjoyable to push, too. Its two powertrain options, a typical 3.5-litre V6 engine or perhaps an optional gas-electric hybrid that is a 3.0-litre V6, supply a suitable number of oomph for quick passes and freeway merging. Acura's available super handling all-wheel drive system could also enhance this SUV's agility if you are driving around turns. The aforementioned hybrid technique is distinctive because Acura designed it to provide increases in the power and fuel economy. Indeed, we've found the sport hybrid is quicker as opposed to regular MDX inside our testing, as well as the EPA estimates you will get 27 miles per gallon combined within the sport hybrid when compared with 22 miles per gallon inside a regular all-wheel drive MDX. After a refresh this past year, the 2018 MDX is enhanced further using a faster and much more powerful entertainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, addressing the largest complaints we've had with prior numerous the MDX. Though there are several remaining drawbacks, they are pretty minor. Overall, the MDX remains a solid contender in case you are ping for the three-row mid-size luxury crossover SUV. What's new? The 2018 Acura MDX addresses some of our biggest complaints with prior models by having a refreshed dual-screen infotainment system, including a new capacitive touchscreen that Acura says is 30% faster. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support is currently standard also. While the improved power and fuel economy with the sport hybrid model seem appealing, the model's absence of responsiveness at low speeds is usually annoying. For this reason, the normal MDX furnished with all-wheel drive plus the advanced package. You won't be disappointed by its power, and also the all-wheel drive system adds welcome agility for this three-row SUV. Plus, the advance adds features, for example 20-inch wheels, a surround view camera, premium leather and ventilated front seats. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Acura MDX can be a three-row luxury SUV that seats up to 7. It's offered in 3 trim levels: Standard, Technology and Advance. The Standard and Technology MDXs come nicely equipped, as well as the Advance's full functionalities you'll likely want with this class of vehicle. All with the above require a 3.5-litre V6 engine, 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet. That's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission with either front or all-wheel drive. The sport hybrid relies on a smaller 3.0-litre V6 along with 3 electric motors combined 321 horsepower, 289 lb-ft as well as a 7-speed automatic transmission to supply an estimated 27 miles per gallon combined. Highlights from the standard package include 18-inch wheels, automatic LED headlights with automatic high beams, adaptive suspension dampers, an electrical liftgate, a sunroof, and keyless entry and ignition. Inside, there are power-adjustable front seats with heating, driver seat memory settings, and electrical adjustable controls, leather upholstery, an automatic climate control as well as an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Technology features include support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a dual-screen infotainment system having a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, 4 USB ports, with an 8-speaker sound system having a CD player and satellite radio. The MDX's standard AcuraWatch safety suite features forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane and road departure warning and mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. The technology package adds niceties, for instance 20-inch wheels, automatic wipers, remote engine start, power folding side mirrors, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, a navigation system, a color driver information display, plus a 10-speaker premium sound system with HD radio. The advanced package switches on the charm with back and front parking sensors, LED fog lights, automatic engine stop-start, a top-down surround view camera system, a heated tire, sport seats with premium leather and trim, front seat ventilation, heated secondary captain's chairs, secondary sunshades, as well as additional USB ports to the third row. The entertainment package could be specified with either the technology or advanced package and adds a DVD-based rear entertainment system. If you combine it with the technology package, it comes having a 9-inch screen and 11 audio speakers. If you include it with the advanced package, it comes having a 16.2-inch screen having an HDMI input and 12 audio speakers. Note that it replaces the captain's chairs with the common second-row bench seating. Finally, you have the all-wheel drive MDX Sport Hybrid. It's available using the technology and advanced packages only. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The S within this review depend on our full test on the 2017 Acura MDX sh-awd Advanced Package 3.5 litres V6, 9-speed automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the actual 2018 Acura MDX has gotten some revisions, including an updated infotainment system that also includes standard Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's MDX. Driving. The 290 horsepower 3.5-litre V6 and optional super handling all-wheel drive are key factors inside the MDX's appeal. It's not as thrilling as some competitors, but it's effortlessly capable. Acceleration. Although low-end torque isn't this V6's strong suit, the 9-speed transmission does an admirable job of keeping the revs high at full sail. The MDX hits 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. That's respectable, though some rival SUVs with turbocharged or supercharged 6-cylinders are quicker still. Braking. We found the MDX's brakes very easy to modulate in real-world driving. But at our test track, the original stopping distance from 60 miles per hour became a longish 123 feet, plus it got worse from that point, with notable brake fade after multiple stops. This could be a concern on long downhill stretches. Steering. Of several steering mode settings, the normal setting achieves a pleasant balance between light and precise, even though the sport setting's Titron center effort feels most suitable for stability at highway speeds. The comfort setting is ultralight and also a little too loose for the preferences. Handling. The MDX's torquey vectoring AWD technique is impressive. It whips this big SUV around corners and magically allows it to carve tighter lines than sh-awd accept it as true could. We can't suppose the front-wheel drive MDX being capable with the same. Drivability. The 9-speed transmission shifts smoothly, though the auto engine stop-start function still takes long to react over line after coming to some stop. The MDX Sport Hybrid's 3 electric motors improve the base MDX's modest low-end oomph. Comfort. Comfortable seats and ample sound deadening take time and effort to fault, but more pricey competitors offer slightly better accommodations. The same goes for that ride, which lacks some from the bump-smoothing sophistication that pricier rivals provide. Seat comfort. The front seats offer all-day comfort together with standard heating and available ventilation. The high second row seats require minimal knee bend, but they are somewhat tight on headroom. The third row is rather snug as well as reserved for children. Ride comfort. Sharp bumps are felt over the 20-inch wheels, especially at lower speeds, but body motions are well controlled and larger undulations are nicely damped. Noise and vibration. Wind noise is minimal at highway speeds. The smooth Roving V6 never feels harsh and stays quiet below 5,000 revolutions per minute. There is some mild thumping in the tires over surface changes. Climate control. Climate controls are split involving the touchscreen along with a row of buttons and rocker switches. The layout is much more logical compared with some other Acura Honda products, nevertheless it requires another step for many adjustments. Performance works well. Interior. The MDX is spacious and versatile with the mid-sized luxury segment. Reality, its third row is tight, it's more usable than most. Still, mainstream models, for instance the mechanically related Honda Pilot, are more practical. Is useful. The push-button gear selector is going to take some time to adapt to and requires that drivers look to see what they're doing, which isn't optimal. Getting in, jetting out. Clever single press buttons slide the second row seats forward for third row access, though the resulting pass-through could be a squeeze for adults. Otherwise, usage of the front and second row seats is a useful one, and just like others from the segment. Driving position. A highly adjustable driver's seat along with a power tilt and telescoping steering column are standard on all MDX models, so it's possible you'll be able to find a cushy position. Roominess. The third row will suit only kids along with perhaps adults of short stature. Still, it's better compared to the third rows of a few other luxury SUVs. The front seats feel spacious in each other and every dimension, but headroom from the second row is surprisingly tight. Visibility. The tall side windows, an upright windshield, and big side mirrors all facilitate visibility. Nevertheless, the second row seat blocks the spine quarter window. The optional surround view camera lends a lot more confidence while parking. Quality. Everything seems meticulously created, plus the advances wood trim adds an air of luxury. However, European competitors still be capable of feel more substantial versus the MDX, along with their cabin designs more elegant. Utility. Convenience and efficiency play a huge part in vehicle utility, and also the Acura MDX capitalizes on both fronts. Total cargo volume isn't the most important, but easy-to-fold flat seats make loading long items a piece of cake. Storage space for small items is an additional win. Small item storage. The MDX's cabin features large cup holders and door bins, including a deep center bin with clever compartment configurations that may accommodate a purse or perhaps a tablet. Use of space is commendable. Cargo space. Total cargo capacity is on par with those of other three-row mid-sized luxury crossovers and greater than space in tourer models. The ease with which the third and second row seats fold flat and supply a level loading floor merits praise. Technology. We haven't yet evaluated the MDX's newest infotainment system. Acura deserves credit for your MDX's suite of normal active security measures, although adaptive cruise control is frequently too quick to strike the brakes and not quick enough to speed up again.